Buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive. My location now is here in Sangat, Purokto, Sangat. Today is the start of our celebration of Purokto Fiesta. Yes, you heard it right. Happy Purokto Fiesta, everyone. And look at my glimpses. Here we are having our volleyball game. Okay, it's going on now, and we cannot yet interview because the game is still going on. And may I know what team is this?
Team Wasay,
Team
Lipaga and Team All-Star.
We are very fortunate because our kagawad of Nang and the most powerful Sir Joss of Power Joe is here to celebrate with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir. So we'll give first the message.
Happy Fiesta Purokto.
Yes.
Good luck sa tanang players.
Yeah, from Power Radio.
From Power Radio.
Sir Joss. Yes. Yeah, the most powerful radio. Kagawad, may yes, Kagawad Jumar. Yeah, Tabilia, Tamba. Message sir to may Purokto.
Sa tanan nga katawan sa Purokdos, padayon lang kita sa Talipay. Today is the launching of the volleyball contest.
Yes, and sponsored by you? By
Nila, sa Purokto.
I was thinking you have your team. So yeah, okay. So my most welcome.
Sa inyong
Sir Power.
Taga-diri ka, ma'am, no?
Of course.
Ari ang president.
I have my small Come now. We are so live tayo.
Yes.
We are so blessed to
Chennai.
Hi guys.
Please introduce yourself. Just a minute, we're having live interview with the Purokto president. Okay. Introduce yourself. My former learner, now our Purok president. Please, ma'am. You are. Let's have the background. Okay. Rachel Riguez, alias Bita. Okay.
Alias.
Uy, she is my second year advisory class. And she used to decorate my classroom. Okay, that's it. Here income generating project. By now, please share to our viewers. President, what are the activities?
Ngayon, ang activities natin volleyball,
Open for all? All lang, okay. And we invited
you to watch and
Witness.
what team is this, Madam President?
Team Lipaga and All-Stars.
Team Lipaga came from Lipaga?
Yes.
How about the All-Star from Lang? Okay. Do you know the team?
Live mo nulong siya, Team Chip.
What's that? Ouch! Ano ba yan? Ouch!
Hello,
Live tayo.
Yes, live po tayo.
What happened to Mitch? Okay, live teacher Ma'am Janine here. Please greet our Purokto. Happy Fiesta lang gani, ma'am.
Happy Fiesta Purokto.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Guapa, our MAPI teacher of Lang National High School. Wave to the camera. Oh, I know you.
Yes, I'm Ivana Alawi of Lang. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm Ivana Alawi of Lang.
Okay, and my once a learner, now no more, but always. Do you know this beautiful one?
Yes,
Mabuhay! Jaira! Jaira pa rin?
Yes.
Can I reveal your real name? You do not like?
Yeah.
Jerry Bim Tinguha!
Yes, wow.
My former learner, my advisory class.
Yes.
Way back, ano ganito? January 2000? 2000? Oh, that was a long time ago. Okay, message to Purokto, celebrating
Happy Fiesta and mabuhay dalago ng Diyos.
Yeah, Purokto Sangat, live and alive. Okay, that's Joy Ratinguha. Okay. And what are the other prestigious, prominent, famous people around? Okay, no more. And may kapitbahay na lang. Okay, okay, where are my kapitbahay here, please? Hoy, Muray, and please wave to the camera. Hoy, oh, may kapitbahay. Hoy, oh my beautiful.
Ay, dali, di ka. Ara kang nguwaran si Mamo.
Oh, please. Please wave to the camera and great Purokto.
Purokto, mabuhay!
Happy Fiesta!
Happy
And
Fiesta, Purokto!
from
Mabuhay!
no, name.
Gingging.
Gingging. Okay. And there another prominent figure. A teacher, my co-teacher in Lang National High School.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Sir Tuti.
Yeah,
Good evening. Yeah, you can greet good morning,
Yes.
sir. Even in the afternoon, the evening. Good morning.
Hello.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Happy Fiesta.
Yeah,
Purokto Sangat.
Yeah, that's our kaabag and teacher of Lang National High School, taga Purokto Sangat. Sir, give us introduce yourself, sir.
I am Purok 9 President. We are supporting Purok 2 for the fiesta.
Yeah, and name is name.
Name Wilvin Lim, President of Purok 9.
Uy, you are the father of my learner.
Yes,
Ha?
Wilvin
Ha?
Junior.
I was thinking you were Chinese. Why Lim?
Because my ancestors are
Lim.
Lim, and we look like Filipino.
Uy, gwapo ka pala. Your wife is my former learner. I'm retiring. You inform Rose. What's my gift?
So she is invited.
Yeah, your wife is very good, excellent learner. Okay, Roso, your gentleman is here. Celebrate our town fiesta. Town fiesta, excuse me, Purok Fiesta. Where's Michi now? I will interview. No more. Okay.
Nahulog abi siya yan, duyan.
Where's nahulog? Chi, what happened?
Okay.
Are you okay? Okay, si pull down sa duyan, but our former president of Purokto. Oh, how are you now?
Okay lang. Nahulog ako sa duyan.
So it's okay about your head? Okay lang. Please greet our viewers and our Purokto.
Welcome sa Purokto.
Happy
Fiesta.
Okay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay tayong lahat. Okay. Thank you. May once a learner to 1989, right?
89-90.
Yeah, and very young. Wala like me. Young, so young.
Why kayo list?
Okay lang yan. So, thank you, Mitch. So, let's go around and move the camera. Hey, what are the food preparation of my kapurok here? Okay, we have bihon and bananas. Okay, I will get also the bread. Okay, this is the bread, no? Is this yung mga amot maaray na 150? Ito na ba? Hindi pa? What's this? Donation.
Donation lang siya, ma'am.
Donation.
Sa pista to.
When is that pista?
Sa 25.
I was thinking this is it. So can I eat? Sa 150. Ang pista pa man to. Sige. I was thinking our 150 is this one, but sa ano pa daw yun? Pang fiesta. What anymore? May laman pa ba yan? Wala na.
Aradam.
Ay, that's what's this? Bihon. And okay, banana. And my one of my pilot, I used to go to school. Pajong. So he used to bring me to school, and in times of emergency. Jong Operio. What's your real name, Pajong? Real name? Juby.
Oh, ma'am.
Uy, that's the name of sounds like girl. Okay, greetings to Purokto. Oh, what happened? Okay. Oh, sige, oh. Wait, what? Oh. Oy! Oh! Melba! Oy! Melba Berio! Nothing escaped my camera of Ma'am Rindon. Sir! Mabuhay, good morning!
Hello!
Good morning, good afternoon. That's the teaching of Ma'am Rindon. And in the evening, hindi po ako nagkamali. Sir, and your greetings, sir.
Happy Fiesta, Purok 2.
Introduce yourself, sir.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Ako?
Introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, my name is Dandan Salvador. Hello po, Happy Fiesta.
Yes.
Ay, wala nag-live.
Jaira, you are
Sorry, ma'am.
you are and my what happened? Do not oh, it's going on. Why not record? Do not touch the inside.
Wala gid siya. Yeah. Karon pa lang 11 seconds pa lang nag-start. Wala siya nag-record the whole time.